How to fix Facebook Reels not showing. In order for you to fix this issue, let's get started. Start by heading over to the App Store. In the source bar, search for the application Facebook. Head over to this app. Right here, if you see the option of resume or update, then you're not using the updated version of the app. And it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. If that's the case, tap on resume or update to update your app. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Head over to General and then move into iPhone Storage. Scroll down and search for the application Facebook and then move into it. Now click on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Facebook, and after that you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.